everyone, today I'm about to be playing 1 week at Flumpty's fan-made extended demo. And today, we're doing something different. Instead of night 1, we're doing a night 2. So on until 6 AM night 2. Breadcrumbs and beaver spits again. He's crossed off.
Good morning, New York City. It's 12 AM. Someone turn on the electro swing. It's time to scramble.
Not
Sorry
funny.
for the bad pun. Not that I care. Oh, also, Flumpty's friend, you're still alive. Amazing.
So we got the beaver and the
Give him
owl.
applause.
Hey up.
I would like to remind you of that one time.
Alright, so the birthday boy plans crossed off. Ah! My cam!
Paper sales have gone up
No.
tremendously.
Camera 16!
What was it? Like just a tap?
Okay.
Don't funny or anything. That's
Yes, it's alive. I heard that his
Turn it to
guy
nice.
running
I'll clean it all up.
Okay,
3 hallways for Belgium.
3 hallways.
Keep that guy on camera.
14,
And
20, 14, 12, 14, and 15. Okay, so...
are nocturnal and small enough. So get ready to get that with that flash photography. Yeah, your road's looking good. You can lose 1 turn away.
Where is he?
Better than time Flumpty killed
Where's the owl?
1 billion birds with 1
Hello!
Where's the keys?
3,
That's
4,
alright.
6.
That day was the apocalypse.
Oh, some waltz! Close that because I hate waltz. I don't like classical music. That's not my type. So we got... What the... How are you here already?
Yeah.
What's changed? The toilet rolls. Oh, so if I flash the owl, he resets. Did Long Tinfoil say that he can? Wait, can he go through lasers? He's small enough, right? Here's the thing: how can an owl fit through there? I genuinely want to know how an owl can fit through, like 2 square, like. Leave out. So it's just like before. So it's 2 o'clock. You're doing good. I haven't died yet. But I think my 3 is gonna be really hard. Wait, so I'm just gonna wait until we get 67. No, that's irrelevant. I know. I'm cringe. I know. Ah! I need to pause real quick. I need to like. Alright. Testing. Yes! You should say my camera is locked in. Get it? Did you just say do-do-do-do-do? My camera don't work. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh Jesus! Can my camera work? So where's the owl? Haha. Uh-oh. What? I think the beaver's gonna run. It's gonna be 12, 14, or 15. Or should I say left, middle, or right? Left, middle, or right? Left, middle, or right? Haha, you can't get me. Now the owl's gonna get me, 'cause I screwed up. I'm going to be dead in 4 o'clock. Why can I keep calling it o'clock instead of AM? Where's the owl? I don't want any animal knowledge from that guy. I don't want anything. I don't want to see any. Okay, so the beaver's gonna run out of toilet paper soon. And that's gonna be not now. So I think the owl's trying to get to my hallway by going to camera 3, which is a speed run to the left hallway. And I have to start checking rapidly right now. Because what if the beaver gets me? Because that thing is different. Not that I care. I got 5 camera flashes left. Is that bad? Tell me that's bad. And I just heard it is. Haha. Camera 6, camera 7. I know that's not relevant now because it's 2026. I never seen this room. How are you there? What kind of speedrun method are you doing, Owl? I think.
Me and Nana, we run and I've noticed. Hey, baby.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah,
Night 4. Wait, at 4 a.m. Wow. Am I doing good? Listen, I haven't died once. I haven't died once. And I'm about to right now. Oh, never mind. And where's the owl gonna come from? And he's not coming because he's still at Cam 4, going to my office at rapid speeds. Because the owl is small enough to go through lasers, and I don't think that's scientifically possible because that's like 1 cubic feet, 1 cubic foot. No, not yet.
What are you recording?
My gameplay video.
His own voice.
Okay, come on. Come on. Haha, you can't get me. Okay, so, okay, so now the toilet paper's gone. Alright, it's like camera 8, which is good.
That's the book on Johnny.
What camera is he on? 5 a.m. night 2. How am I'm dominating stuff. I'm dominating this. I am absolutely dominating the game. Listen, it's night 2. I haven't died once. Come on. Hey. No. Toilet paper's still there. I have 1 Yeah! So that's gonna be end of my video. Goodbye.